हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज इंग्लिश का पेपर था इंटर फर्स्ट ईयर का। सो आई हैव गॉट द क्वेश्चन पेपर अलॉन्ग विद द आंसर्स। लेट अस डिस्कस द आंसर की। सो एज यू नो ये पेपर 3 घंटे का था एंड 80 मार्क्स का। लेट अस बिगिन विद फर्स्ट सेक्शन। सेक्शन ए। सेक्शन ए वॉज फॉर 24 मार्क्स। फर्स्ट बिट, आंसर एनी टू। ये आपके प्रोज लेसन से है क्वेश्चंस। So first question, write a paragraph on the present day education system as described in Rahul's letter. ये father dear father से लिया गया है, तो इसकी summary आपको लिखनी थी। Question 2, why did Timaka and her husband decide to plant trees? Describe how hard they tried to succeed in their mission. ये Green Champion Timaka lesson से है। Sketch in a paragraph the character of Mrs. Bouncer. ये Box and Cox one act play से है। Bit number 2, आंसर एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन अबाउट 100 वर्ड्स ईच। ये पोएम से पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस है। फर्स्ट वन, कीप गोइंग इज अ क्लासिक इंस्पिरेशनल पोएम, क्लेम मेनी क्रिटिक्स सब्सटैंशिएट। ये कीप गोइंग पोएम से है। सेकेंड वन, एक्सप्लेन द नरेटर्स एक्सपीरियंस इन फाइंडिंग आउट व्हाट हैप्पीनेस इज। दिस इज टेकन फ्रॉम हैप्पीनेस पोएम। डिस्कस द एप्टनेस ऑफ द टाइटल द नोबल नेचर फॉर द पोएम। सो ये नोबल नेचर से है। बिट नंबर 3, आंसर एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। ये आपके शॉर्ट स्टोरीज से पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस है। राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑन हाउ एलन एंड हिज पेरेंट्स फेल्ट एक्साइटेड व्हेन ही वाज चोजन टू प्ले फॉर द स्कूल क्रिकेट मैच। ये प्लेइंग द गेम शॉर्ट स्टोरी से लिया गया है। एवरी टाइम द यूथ चूजेस अ गिफ्ट द फेरी एक्सप्रेसेस हर डिससैटिस्फैक्शन विद हर जेस्चर्स कॉमेंट। ये 5 बून्स ऑफ लाइफ शॉर्ट स्टोरी से लिया गया है। Does the story support the wise saying honesty is the best policy? Discuss। ये शॉर्ट साइटेड ब्रदर्स शॉर्ट स्टोरी से लिया गया है। सेक्शन बी कैरीज 8 मार्क्स इन टोटल। इसमें 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। बिट नंबर 4, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आंसर एनी 4 क्वेश्चंस गिवन आफ्टर इट इन अ वर्ड और अ सेंटेंस ईच। सो आपको एक वर्ड में या फिर एक सेंटेंस में ही जवाब देना है। तो ये आपकी शॉर्ट स्टोरी से लिया गया है from the short-sighted brothers. Let us see the questions. Question number 1. When did they all talk to the monk? Answer is the previous evening. Did each brother know that the others also had talked to the monk? Answer is no, they did not. Where did the monk go? Answer is he came out of the monastery and walked towards the short-sighted brothers. What does the word it refer to? Answer is the inscription. When were they going to put it up? Answer is today. What did the brothers realize? Answer is they realized their follies. Bit number 5. Read the following passage carefully and answer any 4 questions given after it in a word or a sentence each. ये भी 4 marks का है। ये unseen passage है which is taken from your reader again. Virus versus fear. So ये full passage है as you can see. This is the continuation of the passage. Let's see the questions. Question number 1. What according to the author is more dangerous than the virus? Answer is fear. What happens if one does not understand this fear? Answer is you become a dead body before your body dies. Does this happen every time? Answer is no, it happens during moments of collective madness when fear overtakes your consciousness. What is lost when collective madness prevails in us? Answer is our consciousness control over our fear. Is it advisable to discuss the epidemic? Answer is no. Discussing the epidemic is discouraged as it triggers fear. How can we remove our negative tendency? Answer is through meditation. Then section C. Section C carries 48 marks. इस सेक्शन में जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे आपको एक सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में ही उसका आंसर लिखना था एज पर दिस नोट. Bit number 6. Match any 8 of the following words in column A with their meanings in column B. 8 into half, that is 4 marks. तो ये 4 marks का bit है. Already I have written the answers over here. Muse का मतलब है think, reflect over. Ancillary means secondary, additional. Fibbing means telling a lie. Topsy-turvy, upside down. Cross, annoyed, angry. Prattle, repeat meaninglessly. Traverse, travel across. Obedient, willing to obey, dutiful. Adamant, unyielding, inflexible. Anguish, great mental pain. Bit number 7. Identify the part of speech of any 8 of the following underlined words. So any 8 आपको find out करने हैं. Each carries half mark, total of 4 marks. First one, we learn many things through observation. तो यहाँ पर अंडरलाइन वर्ड है लर्न. लर्न एक वर्ब है. क्रिकेट मैचेस आर वॉच्ड बाय लैक्स ऑफ पीपल. लैक्स एक एडजेक्टिव है, लेकिन यहाँ पर इट इज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ अ नाउन. सो लैक्स इज अ नाउन. The hungry dogs are howling. Hungry is an adjective. The woman beside David is my cousin. Beside is a preposition. Ah, don't say you don't agree with me. Ah is an interjection. Treatment heals wounds. Treatment is a noun. I like salt and pepper. And is a conjunction. Such persons are surely undesirable. Surely is an adverb. Eureka, I got it. Eureka is an interjection. My knowledge of pace deserted me. Deserted एक verb है. 8. Fill in any 8 of the following blanks with a, an or the. Any 8 you have to do. Each carries half mark. Total of 4 marks. First one. Are you a vegetarian? I saw an accident this morning. It's raining. Let's take an umbrella. My sister is married to a farmer. We spent the whole week in Hawaii. I was moved by the kindness that he showed. Is there a bank near me? Would you like to be an actor? The moon is a symbol of pleasantness. Bit number 9. Fill in any 8 of the following blanks with suitable prepositions. Each blank carries half mark, total of 4 marks. We should not feel superior to others. I went to the airport to see off my son. They have agreed to our proposal. Shloka is fond of music. You must abide by the rules and regulations. We don't believe in superstitions. Gandhiji was born in 1869. Suresh goes to college on foot. The snake crawled into its pit. The train started exactly at 6 o'clock. Bit number 10. Fill in any 4 of the following blanks with suitable forms of verbs given in brackets. So each one carries 1 mark. Total of 4 marks. 6 में से any 4 करना है आपको. First one. The moon appears at night. Second one. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana state. I wish I had a car. The umpire had resolved the controversy within a few minutes. Listen, somebody is screaming. Last week my rose plant died. Bit number 11. Rewrite any 4 of the following sentences as directed. Total of 4 marks. 6 में से any 4 करना है आपको. First one. He will make all the arrangements. Change the sentence into passive voice. Answer is all the arrangements will be made by him. Second one. Surya was invited to tea by Chandra. Change the sentence into active voice. Answer is Chandra invited Surya to tea. Sunil said to his daughter, I will take care of you. Change the sentence into indirect speech. Sunil told his daughter that he would take care of her. Health is more important than wealth. Change the sentence into positive degree. Wealth is not as important as health. He can't run as fast as I can. Change the sentence into comparative degree. Answer is I can run faster than him. You don't like me. Add a question tag. Answer is do you. Rewrite any 4 of the following sentences correcting the underlined errors. को rewrite करना है, any 4 करना है आपको 6 में से. Total of 4 marks. First one, we should respect his teachers. So answer is one's teachers. These all mangoes are ripe. Answer is all these mangoes are ripe. Keep your surrounding clean. Answer is keep your surroundings clean. Athletics are an interesting sport. Answer is athletics is an interesting sport. I waited for an hour. Answer is I waited for an hour. He walks very fastly. Answer is he walks very fast. Bit number 13. Supply the missing letters to any 8 of the following words. Each one carries half mark. Total of 4 marks. Any 8 you have to find out to get 4 marks. First one, teacher. Second one, gloomy. Third one, lesson. Fourth one, respect. Fifth one, faithful. Sixth one, influence. Letters, pleasant, suggest, simple. Bit number 14. Identify the silent consonant letters of any 8 of the following. So any 8 करने हैं. Each carries half mark. Total of 4 marks. So out of 10, any 8. Okay. First word, yoke. Letter L is silent. Wood, L is silent. Pneumonia, P is silent. Consign, G is silent. फिफ्थ वन इज ड्राइंग. ड्राइंग वर्ड में कोई भी लेटर साइलेंट नहीं है, बिकॉज साइलेंट लेटर वो होता है जिसे आप बिल्कुल भी प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते. इन ड्राइंग हल्का सा प्रोनाउंस जी किया जाता है, लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू सम ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक्स इट इज गिवन जी. सो लेटर जी. वॉट में लेटर एच है. नीड के साइलेंट. डाउट बी साइलेंट. आइलैंड एस इज साइलेंट. आइल एस इज साइलेंट. Bit number 15, write any four of the following transcriptions using ordinary English spellings. So each one carries 1 mark, total of 4 marks. First one is speak, constantly, attention, unfortunate, want, individual. Bit number 16, circle any four of the following words that sound different from the other words in that set with regard to the sounds of the bold letters. यानी कि जो भी साउंड अलग है उसको सर्कल करना है. 6 में से any 4 करना है. Each one carries 1 mark. Total of 4 marks. First one, cheap chain chaos. Answer is chaos. Organ order owl. Owl. Huge honor hungry. Honor. Public pure tube. Public. Yell money many. Yell. Listen after taken. After. Bit number 17, mention the number of syllables in any four of the following words. So out of 6, you have to do any 4. Each one carries 1 mark. Total of 4 marks. First one, before, 2 syllables. Doctor, 2 syllables. Mother, 2 syllables. Imagination, 5. Essence, 2. Quarter, 2. अगर आपने डाइसिलेबिक, मोनोसिलेबिक ऐसा भी लिखा है वो भी सही है.